Once upon a time, in a small town, there lived a little boy named Ali. Ali was a very bright boy, but he had one big problem. He was afraid of making mistakes. Whenever he tried to write in his notebook, he would stop and stare at the page for a long time. If I write something wrong, my teacher will scold me. If I spell a word wrong, everyone will laugh at me, he thought. So, most of the time, Ali left his notebook blank. One day, while Ali was sitting sadly at his study table, he heard a small voice. "Why are you so upset, Ali?" Ali looked around, but saw no one. "Down here, silly," the voice said again. Ali looked at his pencil, and to his great surprise, the pencil was smiling at him. "Yes, it's me," said the pencil. "Don't be afraid. I want to help you." Ali rubbed his eyes in shock. You can talk," the pencil laughed. "Of course. I've been waiting for the right moment to talk to you. Now tell me, why don't you write anything in your notebook?" Ali sighed. "Because I'm scared of making mistakes. What if I write a wrong answer? What if I spell a word wrong? Everyone will think I'm foolish." The pencil thought for a moment and said gently, "Ali, do you know why I have an eraser on my back?" Ali shook his head. The pencil explained. "The eraser is there because mistakes are natural. If people never made mistakes, there would be no need for erasing. Every mistake teaches you something new. You can erase it, learn from it, and try again." Ali listened carefully. The pencil continued. "Think about this. When you first learned to walk, did you walk perfectly the very first time?" Ali giggled. "No, I fell down many times." "Exactly," said the pencil. "But did your parents laugh at you?" "No. They encouraged you until you walked. Writing, learning, and living are the same. Mistakes are not failures. They are steps towards success." Ali's eyes sparkled. "So, making mistakes is not bad?" "Not at all," replied the pencil. "In fact, mistakes are your best teachers." Feeling braver, Ali picked up the pencil and began to write. At first, his handwriting was a little messy. He misspelled a few words, but instead of getting upset, he erased them and tried again. Soon, his page was filled with writing, not perfect, but full of effort. The pencil whispered proudly, "See, that's how learning happens. Every line you write makes you better." From that day onward, Ali was no longer afraid of making mistakes. He wrote, practiced, and learned every day. Slowly, his handwriting improved, his spelling became better, and he even started helping his friends with their writing. Ali always remembered the pencil's words. Mistakes are not the end. They are the beginning of learning